Have you ever felt excited about your future, but tired when it's time to work? Do you have big dreams, but take small action? Do you find yourself saying, "I'll start tomorrow," again and again? If you understand this feeling, this story is for you. Listen carefully, because this story may change your life. In a quiet town near a river, there lived a young man named Daniel. Daniel was 24 years old. He was strong, healthy, and intelligent, and he had big dreams. Every day, he told his friends, "One day, I will own the biggest farm in this town. My land will be full of beautiful crops. People will respect me. I will be successful." His friends believed him. His family believed him, but there was one problem. Daniel loved dreaming, but he did not love working. When the sun came up, other farmers woke up early. They worked in the fields, they planted seeds and watered their crops. But Daniel stayed in bed. He said, "I will wake up early tomorrow." When the afternoon sun was hot, others continued working. Daniel sat under a tree. He talked about success, about money, and about the future. But he did not move. He did not act. One day, an old neighbor named Mr. Thomas visited Daniel. Mr. Thomas had worked hard his whole life. His farm was beautiful and full of life. He looked at Daniel's land. It was empty, dry, and silent. Nothing was growing. Mr. Thomas asked gently, "Daniel, why is your field empty?" Daniel smiled confidently. "Don't worry, I will start soon. I have big plans." Mr. Thomas did not argue. He only nodded slowly. The next day, he returned with a small wooden box. Inside the box were 2 tiny seeds. Mr. Thomas said, "These are special seeds. The first seed is called action. If you plant it and take care of it every day, it will grow slowly. But one day it will become strong and powerful. The second seed is called delay. If you plant it, it will grow very fast. But it will bring weeds, problems, and failure." Daniel laughed. "That is easy. I will choose action." Mr. Thomas looked at him carefully. "Choosing is easy," he said. "Taking care is hard." The next morning, Daniel felt tired. "I will plant the seeds tomorrow." Tomorrow became next week. Next week became next month. One afternoon, Daniel felt bored. So he planted both seeds. "It's okay," he thought. "I will fix everything later," but he did not water them. He did not remove the weeds. He did nothing. After some weeks, Daniel walked to his field. He stopped. His heart dropped. The delay seed had grown quickly. Thick weeds covered the ground. They were everywhere. But the action seed was small, weak, and almost dead. Daniel felt fear. For the first time, he understood something. Neglect is powerful. If you do nothing, problems grow by themselves. That night, Daniel could not sleep. He thought about his wasted mornings, his empty promises, his lost time. He whispered, "My dreams are dying. And I am the reason." This truth hurt him, but sometimes pain is a teacher. The next morning, before sunrise, Daniel woke up. Not tomorrow, today, he walked to his field and pulled weeds with his hands. It was hard. His back hurt. His hands became dirty. He wanted to quit. But he remembered his dying seed, so he continued. Every day he worked, slowly, very slowly. The weeds became fewer. The action seed became stronger. Time passed. Daniel's farm changed. Green plants filled the land. His crops grew tall and healthy. People came to ask him for advice, but the biggest change was not his farm. It was Daniel. He became disciplined. He became consistent. He understood something important. Success is not about dreaming. Success is about daily action. Inside you, there are 2 seeds. One grows your future, one destroys it. Every day, you choose which one to water. Do not wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the favorite word of failure. Start today, even if it's small, even if it's difficult. Because action, not dreams, changes your life. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English with powerful life lessons, like this video, subscribe to Learn English Today channel and share this story with someone who needs motivation today. Let's grow our action seed together.